consult our ground staff at the transfer desk. Before disembarking, please make sure to take all your personal belongings. Business class passengers may disembark first. Business class passengers and SkyTeam All Plus members may claim your baggage in the premium arrival suppers in the arrival hall. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying Garuda Indonesia, member of SkyTeam. Bapak Ibu yang terhormat, kami beritahukan bahwa pesawat akan berhenti di tempat parkir yang tidak dilengkapi dengan garba rata. Kami mohon maaf atas ketidaknyamanan ini. Dan pengambilan bagasi khusus penumpang ekonomi kelas dilakukan di konveyor bagasi nomor 11 di terminal kedatangan. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that this aircraft will be parked in a parking area without aerobase facilities. We apologize for this inconvenience. And economic class passengers may claim your baggage at baggage carousel number 11 in the arrival hall. Thank you.